Safety statement. Remember at all times that you must follow the safety rules for your school laboratory and be aware of any risk involved. Please note in this investigation, wash your hands before and after working with microorganisms. Take due care when using the cork borer or scissors and with the Bunsen. Treat all microorganisms as potentially harmful. Dispose of agar plates by autoclaving.
In this investigation, we will investigate the growth of leaf yeasts. Microbes can be grown in the laboratory on petri dishes of nutrient agar. Agar is a gel that comes from seaweed. If nutrients are added to it, it can act as a food source for microbes to grow on. The nutrient used in this experiment is malt agar. Leaf yeast can be found growing on leaves of sycamore, ash and privet. Today we are using privet. We will start by using disinfectant solution to wipe down our bench and chopping board. We will use sterilised hand gel to wash our hands, and this will prevent contamination. We place our leaves on our chopping board. We are going to flame the cork borer through the Bunsen flame to sterilise it. And we'll use the cork borer to remove discs from the leaves. We have 2 sterile agar plates, and we're going to label one the experiment and the other the control. We're going to open the agar plate. We're going to place the plate face down onto the bench, the sterilised bench, to prevent contamination. We're going to dip our tweezers into the disinfectant solution to sterilise it. And we're going to use it to place Vaseline on top of the lid. The Vaseline is used to stick the leaves to the top of the lid. Again, we sterilise it. So using the tweezers, we're going to place the leaves onto the Vaseline. And we place them in such a way that the top of the leaf is stuck to the Vaseline. We then place the plate back onto the lid and we turn the agar plate upside down. This means that the bottom of the leaf is suspended over the agar. More microbes grow on the bottom of the leaf than on the top of the leaf, so there's more chance then of the spores dropping down onto the agar. So we will now seal the experimental plate just in case it accidentally opens. So using tape, we'll seal the plate. The control plate is also sealed again just in case it accidentally opens. Both plates are then left in the laboratory away from any source of heat or direct sunlight, and they are left there for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we turn both plates upside down. This prevents condensation from forming on the agar plates. We then place both plates into the incubator, which is at a temperature of 25 degrees. And the plates are left in here for 2 to 3 days. This allows time for the yeast to reproduce and for the colonies to become visible. After 3 days, we examine the plates. We observe shiny pink colonies on the experiment agar plate, and nothing is observed on the control agar plate. This shows that yeast did not rise from any other source except the leaf. At the end of the experiment, we place all materials in the autoclave bag and autoclave it. This concludes your investigation on the growth of leaf yeasts on agar plates and controls.